Do you want to have this sound or tone? How about this sound? Or this sound? Kailangan nyo lang itong iRig and cable, electric guitar na malaki, and then cable na maliit like this one, and then kahit anong speaker na maisipan nyo, and your electric guitar or acoustic guitar na may pickup. Ganito lang siya kadaling i-setup. Yan, sa nakikita nyo. Salpak nyo lang yung other end sa inyong speaker. And then, yung jack ng iRig, or yung iRig mismo ay sasalpakan nyo ng inyong electric guitar jack. At yung other end ng jack ng iRig, sasalpak nyo dun sa inyong cellphone. And then, yung other end ng inyong electric guitar jack or guitar, acoustic guitar jack, ay ilagay nyo dun sa inyong electric guitar or guitar dun sa port. Alright. And then, setup nyo lang saglit. Wala.
A few moments later.